Welcome to the Onyx Storage Heater pairing tutorial using the Rointe Nexa app. Before starting the process, ensure your smartphone is connected to your Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth is enabled and location services are active. In the app, tap the plus icon and select Add New Product. Activate pairing mode on your Onyx Storage Heater by pressing the menu button. Then Connectivity and Pairing. Tap Start Scanning and select your device. You will be able to identify it by its image and name, or alternatively by the identifier displayed on the product screen. Select and verify that the code displayed on your product matches the one shown in the app. Accept the Bluetooth request notification and wait. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure it is typed correctly to ensure a successful pairing. All set. Assign the device to an existing zone or create a new zone to link it. You can now control your Onyx Storage Heater via the Rointe Nexa app.